That's just going to go through exactly what will happen when you start up the Amazon box, and then how to get a stream working. So just watch what I do and make sure it's the same when you start up your box. So what I did was I just pulled out the cable and plugged it back in, the power cable on it. That's the easiest way to show you. There is a way to do it in the software by going into settings, device and restart, but this is probably just the quickest and easiest. When it starts up, you're going to wait for a little pop-up on the bottom right hand corner of the screen that will tell you that it's found the SD card. That's it there. SD card mounted. Okay. Right, that's popped up. Kodi is on your SD card if you've moved it there. That's what we've done anyway. So let's go into Kodi. I should have no problem starting this up if it's found the SD card. Now when it starts up first, you're going to give it a minute because it will run through any updates it has to do on any of the add-ons there on this. So we're basically going to wait until that, see that change there, that little spinning mask finished, and it shows you your top favorite. So the top favorite in yours should be delete my cache, and then it should go to Maverick and a few others. Okay, so a good thing to do would be to delete my cache. See your top one, so we're going to click on that. Now it's found 2 files. I hit yes. Yours might look slightly different because it's newer. And at the end of delete my cache, it might say it wants to close Kodi. So what you do is you close Kodi, follow the instructions to close Kodi, and then give it a second and restart it. And then we're just going to wait again until that spinning mask disappears and you're back to this kind of screen. So just to check everything's working, we're going to go over to TV shows. We're going to drop down. I'm going to go into Covenant. So you'll see Covenant. Okay. Okay now. All right. Now just to test it out, we're going to go into most popular to find a popular stream that works. Into Game of Thrones, probably the most popular at the moment. Season 7. And the last one there. Episode 7. Now, this is where it builds a list of streams. So what it'll do now is it'll check through all the streams, and it should work for about 60 seconds. 60 seconds is a good sort of time period where it can check through lots of stuff. Maybe it'll find everything a bit quicker on the newer streams. But let's say if you're watching something like The Sopranos or The Wire from a while ago, it'll need that 60 seconds to find all the streams. If you've put in your Real2Brid password correctly, the top streams that will come up will be Real2Brid ones. So that's what we're seeing here, Real2Brid. Now I'm just going to go down to a HD one instead of a 1080p. And that worked fairly straight away. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in and show you how you would get to put in your Real2Brid password. Now I have actually put a favorite on yours, which I haven't got on my personal one, but you go into your favorites, but I'm just going to go the long way, and that's into Covenant. Go back to the main screen and Tools, Accounts. So your little shortcut should bring you here. So it's in Accounts, so I just go to the right and go down and find the Brid service. So I click on URL Resolver Settings, Universal Resolvers, and then find Real2Brid. So I should find that along here. And reauthorize my account is what you click on. I don't need to do that because my ReelToBrid isn't already, all it will do is come up with reeltobrid.com/device. It'll give you a code. You go to reeltobrid/device and you put in that code, then the pop-up should disappear on this and it should all work. Okay. But the best advice I can give when you start up Kodi is to just give it a second and let it go through any of those kind of updates it needs to go through. Just be patient with it, and when you start up your Amazon box, wait till you see the SD card. It finds the SD card, that little pop-up in the bottom right hand corner, and everything should work. Nice one.